Hello guys, today we will talk about rapid tags and I would like to show you how to create and add tags quickly to your YouTube video with this service. So rapid tags, let's type it in the search box and go to this website. So today, for example, I would like to create a video with this topic, how to download Marvel Rivals on PC. So Marvel Rivals is a popular computer game. Okay, and all I need to do is just go to this service. Here you can see the URL. Click on it, and this is how the interface of this website looks like. So this is a very simple tag generator. All you need to do is just input your topic right here in this field. So just paste it right here and click on the search icon right here. Wait a bit, and here it is. Here you can find a lot of cool tags. You can copy them just by clicking on this button and paste it into your video. If you don't like these tabs, you can rewrite your topic a little bit or just click on the search icon again. Yeah, hope my video was helpful for you. Please subscribe and like. Thank you so much. Goodbye.